Hello friends, Jobu here at the Jobu Report. By now you have all heard about the flooding that's going on in Texas. Sadly, 53 people have lost their lives. A dam is about to break. Cars have been swept away, cattle have been killed. Our hearts and prayers go out to all of you. If you take a look behind me, friends, you'll see a pretty waterfall. And the water level's not very high right now, but that can change in an instant. With enough rain, they can become deadly. Friends, as you can see, with a little bit of rain, that babbling brook is now a raging waterfall. And the water level has gone up by several inches. That rock was out of the water before. Do you know it only takes less than a foot of water to sweep your car away? And that's including an SUV. So be careful out there. And if you see standing water, don't ride in it. Our prayers and thoughts go out to you, all in Texas.
Water, water, everywhere, but not a drop for me. But everything I need is here, just beyond my reach. Faces that I see, that pass me by on the sullen street.